What's up, everybody? Rev Sanity here. Today we're going to learn how to quick shift on a Harley. I've never actually seen a Harley with a quick shifter on it, and if you look down there, I got nothing on here that's special. No extra quick shift levers or anything like that. But I'm going to show you how to do a clutchless quick shift with the Harley when my light goes green. Here we go. That one wasn't a good one. So disclaimer, I am not a certified mechanic, and I am not going to tell you what you should do or not do with your motorcycle, because I'm not going to be held liable for the decisions that you make. Why would you ever want to do a clutchless shift in the first place?
If you ain't first, you're last.
And to be honest with you, I don't have a reason for you, other than I want to shift faster if I'm going off the line quicker. Like if I want to do a quick pull, I just want to be able to quick shift because that little bit eats off the time. For Rev Sanity, won't that mess up my gears? Probably. Especially if you do it really often. I definitely don't recommend doing this on a regular basis. The only time I ever do it is if I'm getting on the throttle really hard. But the idea of it is you want your foot resting underneath the throttle, underneath the gear shifter. And you don't want to do this unless you're going to be on it, like if you're under like a hard acceleration. As your throttle opens up and as the RPMs go up, you want to apply just a little bit of pressure underneath the gear shifting lever. And then right before you shift, you want to roll your hand off the throttle completely. Just totally close the throttle and then let it shift up into gear. And then when you're not using your clutch at all. So right now I'm using my clutch. So yeah, you want your foot underneath the clutch lever, you want your foot under the shifting lever, and then your hand off the clutch, but you only want to do this whenever you're rolling on the throttle really hard. And what that's going to do is that's going to build up pressure underneath your, in your gears, and I can't think of the name of the words. Your synchros maybe? I don't remember. I can't think of the right words right now. Maybe somebody can help me out in the comments. But it's going to build up pressure in there, so whenever you release the throttle and then your foot lifts the gear or shifts up into the next gear, and that kind of bypasses the reason for using the clutch. However, you don't want to be doing this often, and you don't want to do it unless you're under hard acceleration, like if you're going to get off the line really hard or something. I haven't had any issues with my bike doing it. I've had a couple missed shifts, and that's because I didn't close the throttle all the way. I think it is anyway. I'm not an expert, but it's definitely fun for, you know, if you're wanting to get that quick shift feel. It does feel pretty smooth, and it's cool because you don't really hear Harleys doing it. You mainly see the sport bikes, especially like MotoGP bikes and stuff, that have the quick shift lever and the clutchless shifting. All right, here we go. We'll try it here. But yeah, that's how you do it. But if you look very closely at the throttle hand when I did it, let's see if I'll do it like this. So I got my foot resting right up underneath the throttle hand's open. See how quick it is? It's just very quick. It takes a little practice to get used to it, but it does have a really different sound to it. It sounds really cool. Again, I don't recommend doing this all the time, especially right now where it's just cruising around, having a good time. But if you want that extra thrill when you're coming off the line and you want to shave that time off and not have to worry about squeezing in the clutch, son, you let that throttle hand rip. And do not hold me responsible. I'll deny it till the day I die. I didn't tell you to do jack. This fella. I say don't do it often. I did it like 7 times already in this video. I don't recommend this to people who are brand new to riding either. definitely wait until you're a little bit more comfortable riding around at least, because you just never know whenever something's going to happen. in the middle of traffic. I don't condone doing anything unsafe. I'm not going to tell you not to do anything unsafe either. You know, part of riding motorcycles is not safe. You're literally the most exposed person in the world. And I appreciate everybody who responded to my last video and hit me up on Instagram. Got you some stickers rolled out. If you got a sticker, let me know in the comments what you think about them. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope they're good quality, and I hope they got stuck wherever you want to stick them. Whether it's on your motorcycle, on your helmet, on your koozie, on your Yeti, there we go, on your $700 coolers. We have to order some more. I only got a couple left, actually. Kind of want to keep some just to pass around here locally. Had somebody ask me the other day what the deal with my GoPro on the helmet was. I'm like, well, funny you should ask that. Here's a sticker. So if you're watching this because of that sticker, I really appreciate that. It's starting to get cold though, man. I'm so ready for January weather to be typical Florida January weather. This 50 degrees stuff is uncomfortable. Give me my 70s back and my 60s. But yeah, that's all I wanted to do for this video. It was just a little quick how-to because I was doing it earlier and I was like, I wonder if anybody has actually considered quick shifting a Harley and just not knowing how to do it. So, if this video helps you out, drop me a comment. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button and that notification bell. Helps the channel keep on growing. Helps me keep engaged with you guys, the motorcycle community, and the new vloggers out there that are coming up and just having a good little time out here in Northwest Florida. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a good, wonderful rest of your evening if it's that time zone. Catch you on the next one, alright guys? Stay decent. Peace.